I'm Kyle, one of the project managers here at Cabinets Extraordinaire and Cabico Construction, and we're up here in the Inlets up in Bradenton, where we just finished this master bathroom renovation. As soon as you look in here, probably one of the first things that's going to catch your eye is the color of these cabinets. So the color of these cabinets were picked based off of what's going on the ceiling. So I got a V-notch groove going on the ceiling, and that was the color that they originally selected. Then we brought it to their attention, we could have Cabico, which is the manufacturer of these cabinets that we're using, to go ahead and color match. So which really helps tie in everything together. And basically we were going for a coastal and contemporary feel in this bathroom. And you can really kind of get that, especially with this 1/2-inch thick glass that we're using here to help divide the tub deck area and our shower. And this tub deck area was originally this very awkward kind of shaped tub deck. So we got rid of that. We sent it up against the wall, and we wrapped it all in a 12 by 24-inch porcelain tile from Happy Floors. We carried this tile throughout the floors, up the tub deck, into the shower. This is where you start getting into that contemporary feel. So when you come in here, it's a nice roll-in shower. You come in all the way down towards the other end. We have a linear drain, and that really helps to give it that modern feel, but yet again also have that feeling that you're in a coastal bathroom, which is actually really nice. Once again, we didn't pull out all the stops here. We definitely try to keep this as a very simple bathroom and not go way too crazy. So let us know what you guys think about this bathroom, and don't forget to like and share this, and follow us on all of our social media, and stay tuned, and we'll see you on the next project.